Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of the Shokz OpenFit Air headphones. These are open-ear headphones designed for workouts, promising a blend of comfort, sound quality, and awareness of your surroundings. Let's see how they stack up. Starting with the design, the Shokz OpenFit Air feature a sleek, lightweight build with ear hooks that ensure a secure fit without putting pressure on your ears. The ear hooks incorporate a flexible nickel titanium alloy wire, which adds to their durability and comfort, even during extended wear. The headphones weigh just under an ounce, making them almost unnoticeable during workouts. They come in 3 color options: white, black, and pink, all sporting metallic silver elements for a modern look. In terms of controls, the OpenFit Air use touch-sensitive panels on the outside of each earbud. You can perform functions like play, pause, skip tracks, adjust volume, and activate your phone's voice assistant with gestures like double tap or press and hold. While convenient, I found the touch controls to be somewhat finicky, especially during intense workouts where accuracy can be a bit hit or miss. Moving on to sound quality, the OpenFit Air delivers surprisingly good audio for open-ear headphones. They offer a clear and balanced sound profile suitable for a wide range of music genres. However, due to their open design, they lack passive noise cancellation, which means they won't isolate you from ambient noise as much as traditional headphones would. Despite this, the audio quality is quite impressive, with enough clarity and depth to enjoy both music and podcasts during workouts. You also have the option to choose between 4 EQ presets via the companion app, allowing for some customization to suit your preferences. Battery life is another highlight of the OpenFit Air. They provide up to 6 hours of playback on a single charge, with an additional 22 hours stored in the charging case. The case itself charges via USB-C and supports quick charging, giving you 2 hours of playback from just 10 minutes of charging. This setup is convenient for long workout sessions or travel. So, should you invest in the Shokz OpenFit Air? They're definitely worth considering if you prioritize comfort and situational awareness during workouts. Their open design allows you to hear your surroundings, which is crucial for outdoor activities like running or cycling. While they may not compete with high-end closed-back headphones in terms of sound isolation, they offer a compelling balance of sound quality and usability. To wrap it up, the Shokz OpenFit Air headphones are a solid choice for fitness enthusiasts looking for open-ear headphones that deliver on comfort and sound quality without breaking the bank. They're perfect for those who prioritize safety and situational awareness while exercising. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.